Hi guys, my name is Shelly and in this video I'm going to tell you 4 emails that you can send to retain and grow your customers easily. And in the end I have my special pro tip for you that can surely help you. Being a marketer, we all know how important it is to keep growing your new customer base. But do you know the most common mistake that most of the marketers make is that they forget how equally important retaining an old customer is. I mean, think to yourself, how would new customers prefer your service if you don't have any satisfied old customers to tell your success story, right? So let's get started with our first step, and that is send a welcome email. Sending a welcome email is a great strategy to let your customers know that their presence is valuable to